Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IronFX webinars. Can any one of you guys hear me clearly? Okay, shall we just wait for 1 minute? Okay, I will start the session very soon. By the way, if you have any instrument you want me to have a look for you guys, you can just send in your either you can send in the chat box or Q&A, okay? Okay, shall we start? I believe everyone is ready here. Again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. All right, welcome to IronFX webinars. Okay. So before I start, disclaimer over here, this information is not considered as investment advice or investment recommendation, but instead a marketing communication. Okay, risk warning over here. Okay, yeah, trading for activity carries significant risk to your capital. All right, and it may not suitable for all investors. So please ensure that you understand the risks involved. Okay. Okay. So some of you guys should already know me. My name is Peggy. Okay, I'm investment analyst and a prop trader as well. These some certificate I have part of the challenge, but these are like not updated. I think I'm going to remove it very soon. Okay. Okay, so shall we just look at our chart together? Just give me a while. Okay. Okay, first shall we just identify the level? What you could see here, you were to look at the dollar. Because of yesterday, the data is out. I think that kind of mix data. How to delete this one? Okay, never mind. Okay, so first we identify the key level first. What you could see here, if you were to look at the daily time frame for the dollar, okay, you need to I look at RSI as well. But you see that for the RSI, okay, price is already over bought, right? Because they already go above 70 and at this higher point is about 75. And then you could see that for the daily time frame candle, okay, you could already see the bearish reversal or changing the momentum from bullish to bearish because of the divergence here. Okay, you could make a bigger to see it here. All right, so this is your bearish divergence, which is price make a high, indicator is make a lower high. Okay, and another one, what you could see, the closing and opening of the candle for 3 days. I zoom in for you guys to see, which is this one, right? Can you see closing and opening? Okay, this is opening here and closing here, right? For the buy. For the sell or bearish, you can see the opening here, closing here. So what do you think about this? Meaning that at this point, you can see the rejection and a lot of people waiting to sell at this zone. And you could see that on November 25th, this candle, there's no wick. You can see there's no wick at all, meaning that the investor willing to, to sell. Then nobody want to buy here. They just sell. You could see that's right. Okay, so now we're gonna forecast that dollar will be falling, and you could see that they have a 3 consecutive candle is bearish. Okay, and we also confirm with the divergence over here as well. Now we look at the H4 candle. Okay, what you could see here. Now we wait for price to pull back, at least pull back here, so we could identify our first resistance. Okay, you look at the RSI as well. There's already almost reached 30, right, for the RSI. Let me here, right, you can see it's about like 40, no, it's 34. If she's over here, so you identify this one at your first support. Do you think why price is bound off from this level? Okay, because this zone is our first support, or you know that there is a bullish order block here. Okay, because this one, that's why price come to the zone and then bounce off. So can we kind of wait for dollar to rise to the first resistance? And second support is gonna be right here. Okay, so now we could already see that dollar still can rise at least 50, like 50 for the RSI, somewhere around approaching the first resistance. But you could see here, the EURUSD is at my pullback support. So this is my pivot point or first support right here. This is going to be my second support, meaning that we're going to buy at the support level and we're going to sell at the resistance. And my first resistance, okay, is close to 61.8%. Okay, what do you think about this one? You could see that EU, it bounced off from the support. Dollar is approaching at the resistance level because they are negative correlation, right? So you will see here, if you want to wait for confirmation, for example, what is your strategy? You look at M15. Of course, in M15, it seems like it over here. What you could see, like similar to price action here. I still have my buy entry. I haven't closed it yet. It's price all the way up. How many pip? 28 pip. I haven't closed for like this trade. Okay, and you could see that you could wait for confirmation, which is this candle. Do you see that your like price action here? Okay, but let's say if you don't have any trade or you missed the entry, and then you could wait like to sell at this level. Why? This level, I give you the price. There also we identify the first resistance, and you also could see that it's aligned with our 61.8%, which is a golden ratio for Fibo, right? And over here, they also has valid order block. Okay, so this is the zone that we are waiting to sell. All right. Okay, let me see. Q&A, okay. I just start. If you just join, it's okay. I just start the webinars. Okay. Basically, just now I just talk about the dollar first. Now we buy here or we wait to sell at this zone. Okay. Let's look at GBP. The GBP as well. Do you think, what do you think about EUR, USD and GBP? They are moved the same direction. Okay. Now I'm waiting for price to pull back at least at my pivot point, which is this number. I'm going to buy at this zone. Okay. There is line up with 30.2% fib level. This is going to be this is the price. Okay. First resistance right there. Let's say if price break above my first resistance and another zone, that will be either today or tomorrow. It's going to be this, going to be my second resistance level. And we could combine with Fibonacci as well. Okay, how are you going to draw Fibonacci? You need to draw from your high and your low. Okay. To your left, to your right, what do you think? Okay, I will move here. My second resistance somehow is close to 61.8% fib level. So this is going to be my zone for the second resistance. It's here. Okay. It's a zone. 61.8%. I will give you the level. Okay. Either you capture and then you save all this and then you try. If you want to try out those like my key level, you can put the pending order, but you can like try with small lot size that could be like 0.1 or 0.05 or 0.02. It's up to you guys. Okay. So this is the level. Okay. I will try to cover the major one. Okay. Shall we look at USD JPY? What do you think about this? What do you think about this one? This is the daily time frame. Okay. If you want to like sell, do you think that the 78.6 is somewhere around here and price is almost okay? Go to 78.6% based on daily time frame and then it's falling. If you to see like that, let's say we put the pending order over here, and then on the November 15, okay, what do you see here? The daily candle ending with belly engulfing candle, right? The next day you need to sell, meaning that you need to look for the sell entry. And the RSI also already create the divergence over here. Okay. That's why the next day you need to look for the sell entry. But where you're going to sell based on USD JPY, definitely here is gonna be my first resistance or pullback. I'm going to sell here. This one is gonna be my second resistance for H4 time frame, meaning that I'll wait for price to go here and I'm gonna sell. Okay. I could identify this one as my first support, meaning that my TP you're gonna sell at the resistance. I'll close my TP slightly before first support. And then you can see that this here 4 time frame. Eventually it hits my TP, even though okay, it's move up here, right? But even to put your TP here, you're gonna set here where your stop loss. Of course, you put the stop slightly above this high. Okay, and then you can see that eventually it hit your take profit. Okay, so now we identify the key level again. Now price is rising to where I would identify this is gonna be my pullback resistance level. But of course here I will monitor is if there is a confirmation, I'm gonna sell at this zone. But because I also look at the RSI as well, you can look at the RSI based on H4 time frame. It also fall below 30. Okay, now it's rising, approaching at 36. If they if they were to reach here, like intermediate resistance, that would be it's about 50. Okay, that will go all the way to 50, and then it might like falling, continue to bearish. So I'll monitor this zone. If I want to sell, this could see if I see like confirmation, I'm gonna sell here. If not, this is gonna be my sell zone. This is gonna be the safe one. Okay, this is the zone. We could combine with the retracement. That will be what? That will be close to, I just pick 50%. Okay, retracement for my resistance zone. Okay, and price wise stop here. This is have demand here, and we could combine with retracement over there. Slightly 38.2 for this low. Is 38.2 here. Okay, this head 4 time frame. Okay, you guys can see. Okay. If we see confirmation, either you sell here, meaning that you go to the lower time frame to wait for confirmation. What do you know what is confirmation? Either you see the chart pattern, divergence, rejection, and then you sell. If you don't see, meaning you don't see which is either H1 or H4 candle. Okay, candle close above this price, which is 152.23, and then you wait for the resistance here to sell. Okay. The next entry for the support I will pick here. It's gonna be my support level. You also could use what you guys can use. You can use the extension. You see that based on this, let's say you break below this low, break below this low, the bounce off from this because they Fibo confluence. We have a 38.2 retracement, and then you have extension 127.20% for the extension. Okay, that's why price bounce from this zone. Okay, so this is the zone. All right, I will give you the price over here. Moving on, price approaching as well. This is gonna be my sell zone. Okay, this is the price for the pivot point of first resistance, first support right here, which is price bounce off from this level. If you to highlight the wick and the body, this is gonna be your buy zone, which is here. You look at the candle, you already see the rejection, right? This one. Okay. The next support is gonna be here. Okay, I will show you guys what I mean by confirmation. Okay. Let's say price is approaching your key level. You go to lower time frame M5 or M15. What do you see? You see the rejection, M15 rejection here. Okay. The I sign. What do you see about the I sign? I will even want to go. Okay, I have a confirm in rejection. I want to buy because price is at the zone. I saw it's the bullish divergence. This is one. This is I mean by confirmation. Okay, you see that this is bullish divergence. Okay, and you can see the price is rising from this support, right? Come back again and then rise up. Okay, all the way toward our pivot point. Okay, so it's already the price. Okay. give you exact. Okay, this one. I think this one was a few days ago. Let me remove drawing. Okay, you wait to buy at this zone. We have the demand here. Okay, so should we identify? Let I just put my first support here, but here is gonna be the zone. Okay, look at the RSI side. Is my falling more? Maybe come to this green box. This one, you to buy here, this one gonna be your TP. Okay, but I will identify this one is gonna be first resistance. Later I will combine with Fibonacci as well. Shall we look at the daily first? Okay, let me look at the higher time frame. You should look at the daily is still on bullish side, right? Because price make a higher high, higher low. Okay, if we to based on the daily time frame, I will refer this one as the first resistance, which is where daily time frame should be this week. Okay, you see that it's close to my extension 161.8. So this is gonna be the this was the overlap support. Right? This one, zoom to see daily time frame. Yeah. Okay. Price break above this high. First is you can see that it's pullback, right? React of the resistance, pull back here, and after the break above from the resistance, it become your pullback support. Now bounce off 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot close below. Now become your overlap support level. So for the daily time frame, this is gonna be your first support. Okay. And it seems like on the daily time frame, price is just ranging. This could be the resistance level. Okay. Now, shall we look at the H4? Okay, so I will monitor this one for my first buy. If I want to buy from here. Okay, this is gonna be my take profit. Somewhere around this zone, that could be my, like for example, that would be my TP1. Meaning if I were to buy from this zone, somewhere around this, this the price. Maybe go to H1. Okay, what is happening in H1? Okay, so this is the zone. Okay, identify first resistance. This is my second resistance level. Okay. And it's gonna be the pullback support level at this price. Okay. Should we move on? Okay, so this zone is close to my like 78.6%. Soon for you guys to see. That's gonna be like the buy zone gonna be here. Give you the new price. This one. That would be between 1.3981 to 1.3993. Okay, this is the zone. Okay, I go to Aussie dollar. Okay, those Aussie is quite messy. Okay, let me look. What do you think about Aussie dollar here? Things you can rise. Daily time frame, our resistance level already taken here. This is gonna be the first resistance for the daily time frame, which is here. How it look like? Need to adjust it right here. Okay, that's why you can see that overlap, very nice overlap. Very nice overlap resistance here, right? You can see that the rejection. Okay, rejection. This is your price action here. You can see that due to be support, break below. Okay, now it become your resistance. One time, bounce off, second time, and a third time. So now basically it's just ranging. Okay, now it's just sideways based on full time frame. Oh, here should be like 38.2% fib or 50. Okay, slightly above 38.2% fib level. That's why this is the sell zone, right? I could not close above. Okay, so basically for AUD USD, it's just a ranging. So I don't have the straight setup for this one, but I will give you the zone, okay, or the key level. Let's say if price break above first resistance, the next key level is here. Okay, that would be 78 and 38.2. Okay, that is gonna be your resistance zone. This is the price. What if price break below? Okay, if price break below your first support, you have a pullback, it becomes your resistance, and then you sell. Okay, or price break above, pullback become your pullback support, and then you buy. So now don't trade for Aussie, just monitor first because it's just ranging. Okay. All right. We go to Kiwi dollar, it's the same as well. Okay, now we want to buy. I'm waiting to buy here. This is gonna be my buy entry. I will put my pivot point by here. Okay. First resistance, second support. You can see that side can falling more based on H4. Okay, so what do you think that we wait for H4 to fall? Why? Because based on the daily time frame, price still can rising, right? It take time to reach the where the resistance based on H4 time frame is daily is gonna be somewhere around here. So we buy follow the higher time frame. So you wait for price to fall here and then you buy up. Okay. So we are trade based on the higher time frame. So it's bullish. This is the if you buy at the pivot point, you set your TP slightly below your first resistance. Okay. Mm. Okay. Oil and then the last one. Okay, now oil is at my first support here. This one should be quite some time. Sure, just maybe I just remove, okay? Okay, so now price could not close below my overlap support level, which is we buy. Okay, buy oil. The TP, where is your TP? If you were to buy here, you set TP, it is your first resistance, which is your take profit. This is gonna be your second resistance. Second resistance here, which is price all the way up, right? You sell all the way to the support level. And this gonna be your multi-swing low, second support. Okay. And the first support, I think, is close to or slightly with the zone, which is 78.6%. In the case, it's not close. So I'm not going to use the Fibonacci number. Okay. The resistance level first resistance is line up with 50% fib level. Maybe you guys cannot see the number. Make it bigger. Okay, you see that here. Okay. Let's focus of price action here. Sorry, M15. Okay, so you have for closing with price action or rejection, you can hold oil from this price, which is 68.17. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the gold. Do you sell gold yesterday at this price? This is our sell zone or your resistance is here. Okay, do you see that rejection price action here? Now price is rising again. So you wait here for the second sell entry. So if you want to sell here again, you need to wait for confirmation. Okay, because price come first time falling to my first support here, now become overlap. It's gonna be my second buy zone if price all the way here. Okay. 50%, somewhere around here. That would be where? Would be this is my second resistance. Okay. So for resistance here, if you have a confirmation, price already came like Wednesday yesterday. Okay. And my second resistance is here. We see the price could close above 160. Almost is about 100 pip here, right? Because this is H4 time frame. Okay, so you want to see the confirmation and then you buy, okay? Okay, I will adjust the zone. It's here. What do you think about gold? After gold, I will look at the BTC for you guys, okay? Based on the headphone time frame, you know that price bounced off from this because I think it's close to 61.8% fib level. You can see that. Then you can see the rejection. So this is our buy entry, right? If she's here, right? This one you can see that because of this one rejection and take time, go rising and now falling and go back up again. So what do you think about gold? Will be falling, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Anyone trade Elliott wave? That could be A, B, then maybe the big C there. In the A also have, if I were just to count like the big one, 3, 4, 5 here, right? With the one, they also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To complete the wave 5, they also have small wave there. Do you see that? Okay. You see that? Continue to go down. You want to count like that, or this is A, B, C. Then we have like subwave here. Okay, then in the A, B, C, we have the zigzag, right? Or we could just like have like one A, B, another C here. Okay. Falling down should be like one A, B, small C there. Okay, so this is gonna be our sell zone again. If you see confirmation. Okay, based on H4 time frame, gold will bullish. Now it's almost end of the year, right? Because it is already November. Do you think that gold will make a all-time high again? I don't think so. Okay, I think they should already falling. But anything possible because I'm also don't know. I'm not knows about gold. Okay, we just trade with what we can see in the chart here. Okay, now it's already almost end of November, all-time high, which is right here. Okay, around that, what price? 27.90, right? 27.90, this is the all-time high. Okay, so I think we already see the pullback from here. So we wait. Okay, wait here. This zone. Now I'm gonna do the BTC. Okay, what happening with the BTC? So BTC falling to the my support here. Okay, I thought it's a pullback here and then sell, but they slightly go above. Now it's pulling back. Let's say if I were to sell here, I pull like, price is rising. So now I already back to my break even, or I already, from floating loss, now it's already profit. Okay, so still hold. You look at the daily time frame. If you want to trade the BTC, you see already high, like almost 100K, right, for the BTC. If you're an investor, would you still buy or sell? Definitely you're gonna sell here to make a profit, and you wait for price to pull back where you're going to buy BTC. Based on daily time frame, okay, it's here. This is the better price to buy the BTC. So now you just wait. Okay, but anything is possible with the BTC, because BTC is rising because of Trump, right? Because of the election. Now it's rising all the way up here, daily time frame. So this is a very nice pullback support, right? You can see that used to be the resistance over here. You can see that used to be the resistance. You see the imbalance, the candle, right? Now it become your, oh, now it become your support, right? Now it become your pullback support. It's here, right? Because you can see that. I zoom for you guys to see. That's why one is break of this candle daily time frame. Then you can see that they are pull back here, right? Break above here, pull back, and rising because of this candle, the imbalance here. Okay. Now the people keep buying the BTC. So if you want to buy, you wait for price to pull back based on daily time frame. Okay. So I think a lot of investors they are selling the BTC already. Okay, this is the price. Back to H4. So now we're going to sell, because I said already based on daily time frame, I'm looking for sell BTC, right? So now pull back, you sell. If you want to combine with Fibonacci, I think that would be maybe 61.8, right? Somewhere around there. You can see that price cannot close above. If I pick this high, they react off where 78.6%, right? Here, you see that? 78.6%, you see the rejection, which is if you trade with FVG, it's also your fair value gap. Even though like this one, first candle, FVG, but your FVG still have remaining where from this week to this week. This one also have your FVG, right? That's why this one you can see that go to the FVG combined with 0.6% is falling. Yeah, okay. Again, if you sell, you might see the like a bounce off from this zone, because this one have the demand somewhere around here. Okay, you want to draw based on the body, which is right there, and that would be 78.6 or 61.8. It should be 61.8. So okay, here gonna be your TP. You could buy up somewhere here and then you hold. Break below, pull back, become your resistance, and you buy, you sell. Okay, we target here for the second support. Or second support is here. This is a nice support. You will see that people are gonna buy up from this zone. Okay. Now is falling. I need to adjust the second resistance. Just hang on. I give you the support level first. Yeah. Okay, first resistance right there, this is gonna be my second resistance is here. Okay, so these are already done. We remove, we're not gonna use this. Highly falling. Okay. Now, oh, this one has 61.8% flip level. In the bigger. $70. 78.6. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is the zone. Okay. Any pair you guys want me to have a look for you? I'll pause here for a while. You have any question? Okay, I just launched the poll. If you have time, could you help me vote? Okay, so don't have. Let me just continue to Ethereum. Okay, based on H4 time frame, I think Ethereum is already pulled back. Maybe I look at the daily time frame first. Okay, you will see the pullback here because this is consider your first resistance here. Okay, it's almost reaching, so you could wait to sell here. You wait for price to go to exact to the zone, right? This is the zone. Over there, I think it's also like up with our extension 161.8. So this is a good zone to sell Ethereum. Okay, like here. You could just aim for the TP here for the first support because over here have what? Bullet at the block. So you will see the bounce from this level. Okay. To this one. If you to sell at this zone, okay, you take profit somewhere slightly before this price. Okay. And the lowest one is I will put at the body, which is this one. Okay. The price. Okay. We have extension right there. And this is a pullback resistance. This is gonna be next second resistance level for the Ethereum. Let's say price break below the first support. Okay, you could just pick this one for your, or you just put this one here for your second support, but monitor this level as well. This is very nice level to buy up. This is the price. Okay. But it will take time to fall to 2,800. Okay, which is this one. Okay, so now you wait for price to like pull back slightly more for the, oh, that's not, okay, I need to adjust the level. This is gonna be your first support or gonna be the TP because just now I draw from the daily time frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay, for the daily time frame, it's good for the swing. Okay. I draw at H4 because I'm a day trade. I'm not gonna wait for daily time frame because if you to wait for the daily time frame, it will take time for price to go all the way to this zone. Okay. For example, you look how many day, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and almost 1 week to reach first resistance. Okay, of course, if you're a swing trader, you buy here, okay, you keep holding, okay, this is going to be a take profit at extension, okay. If not, you wait for price slightly goes there and then you sell, okay. You guys have any question? Okay, if you don't have question, I think that should be all for today. All right. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again in the next webinars. Okay, happy trading, guys. Take care. See you guys again in the next webinars. Okay, if you want to trade gold, this is our sell entry, and this is gonna be our buy entry for gold. Okay. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Okay, wait. There is a question. How do you use Fibonacci to know where to buy or sell? No, I'm using Fibonacci to combine with my key level. Okay, I'm using the I cannot send you the recording. You need to email the support. Okay, if you have any question over here. Okay, you email support@ironfx.com. Okay. Answer the question how to use Fibo to know where to buy or sell, which I just answer. I identify the key level first, and then you combine with your Fibonacci, not use Fibonacci to buy or sell. Okay. We use Fibonacci to find the confidence. All right. Okay, that's all for today. Take care, guys. Bye for now. You're welcome.